Hello, all you wonderful people. I'm a lucky guy. I'm going to Southeast Asia for 8 weeks. And I'm going to show you in this video what I'm taking along and how I fit all of that into a 35-liter backpack. So, this is the first part of the luggage and stuff I'm going to take for my 8 weeks in Asia. And I call this more the technical part because this got nothing to do with clothes, and later I'm going to show you the clothes, but this is all I'm going to take, and I'm going to go into detail with every single one of them for you right now. So let's start at the bottom left. We have the iPad Pro. I'm planning on doing some writing, so I'm taking this along, and the Apple keyboard. It's wireless, and I got a little like neoprene bag where it goes in, so it's nice and protected. And for camera gear, I'm just going to use the Gorilla with a cheapo thingy that holds the iPhone. And this is my bottle holder, which is really cool because it can attach to either my day pack, or it can attach to the scooter, or you can put it on your backpack. And this is my little technical equipment bag where I got a charger and a microphone and a flashlight. You never know, because it can get dark in the jungle at night, and the Apple Pencil and some pens. So this goes together small and neat, and it's all neatly packed up. So over here I got my headphones and the adapters going with it for the iPhone 7. Now this is a tiny little bag that folds up, and it's for laundry. Here we have some aspirin. I always carry a little plastic container with me for SIM cards and something to get the SIM card out of your iPhone, because that way I can easily change the SIM cards when I'm in Asia, in Thailand, or wherever for a local one, and I got them all nice stored and secure in there. I got my harmonica because I'm intending to play that. Over here I got some supplements which I'm going to bring. It's not that many, it's just 3. That's my stand for the iPad, and this is my hip bag, and in that one of course I carry sunglasses, my regular glasses, my purse, my wallet, passport, and international driver's license. So coming over here, this is everything I'm going to take with me as a matter of like toiletries. We got, I filled like 100 milliliter bottles because I'm only going to have carry-on luggage. So I got sun protection in here and some body lotion in the other. Now this actually looks like a huge heap, and I also feel it is huge, but I don't want to buy it all there and still have to carry it around. So I'd rather take it in this way. And I've got all I need for 8 weeks. And over here I got in a separate bag, I got toothbrush, ear protection, and toothpaste. So I can easily access that. So then the rest for the kind of technical stuff. This is an entire jacket actually that fits in there. It's the only jacket I'm taking, and this is just a little notebook so to scribble along. So that's it for the technical equipment, and now I'm going to show you what clothes I'm going to bring. As for clothing for 2 months, this is all I'm going to take. Might look a lot, might look a little. We're going to go through it. So the biggest part that I have to carry around is my winter clothes, because I'm leaving at -5 degrees in Germany, and I'm planning to go in the north, so it might get chilly at night. And I decided not to take a heavy jeans or some other fabric, but go layer wise. And so what I did is I got these skiing underwear and a hat, like a cap. And I got long undies, which are also from skiing. So this should keep me warm, and I can easily move over to, I'm only taking 2 long pants, and this one is a function pants, and the other one is like a very, very light long sleeve pants. So I'm gonna wear layers of this and that, plus this, and one of these, which is also a very, very functional warm sweater. And I got another light sweater for the evenings. So I got some really, really thick socks. That's the only socks I'm taking, and I'm only wearing 1 pair of sandals. I'm not taking any other shoes. And then we go over to, we have 2 pair of shorts. We got 3 undies. I know that sounds a little, but I'm able to wash there, and these are made from sports fabric, so they dry really, really quick, and they're easy to wash and keep clean. I have 2 shirts with buttons and 2 t-shirts, well, 3 actually. This is also breathable material that can dry really easily, and I have this huge towel. So that's about it that I'm going to take along for the 2 months. Remember, you can always do some laundry on the go, so I don't want to overstash on clothes that I'm not going to need. So this is the great thing about it. After it's all stashed in the mesh bags, you got it all together. Now this is all my cold weather gear, long pants and shirts. This is just underwear. Here we have short pants, shorts, and here we have t-shirts and shirts and my towel. So this is all it takes, and you will see how nicely that fits into the backpack. So these are the only shoes I'm taking. These are rugged sandals. I couldn't get the ones I wanted, so I bought these, and they're supposed to do a really good job. Now my initial goal was to fit it all into this 28-liter backpack, and it does, but I decided to have a little more space and accommodation. I'd go for another one. This 35-liter backpack instead. It's one of these tactical things you can buy online. I'll put links in the description for all the products I'm using. And it is an affiliate link, so if you click on that and buy that, Amazon might even help me out a little bit, or you for that matter, with my trip budget. Now this thing has a couple of advantages. One of the coolest ones is that you can just open it up entirely and everything fits in snug and neatly, and you can just take it out. Then it also has several compartments which you can open separately, and I think this is much better for organizing all your stuff. So here you got the toiletries, and then here is where the jacket goes and the technical bag. So this is it, pretty small, and I'm looking forward to traveling light. A lot of people overpack, and that's not my goal. I want to travel as light as possible, and that's why I have tried to compile everything as neat down as I possibly could. I put links in the description of all the products I'm using, and yes, if you click those links, maybe Amazon will help me out a little on my travel budget, so feel free. Also, if you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to get back to you. So thanks a lot for watching. If you liked this video, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell button also, so you always get updated when there is a new video out. So thanks again for watching, and safe travels to you.